Hello, we are back for another round of our Bangkok Food and Property Tour. So right now is September. Okay, we didn't initially have a September tour, but due to the popular demand, we decided to have it. So for our first destination today, we are currently at RE. Okay, we'll be going to visit a completed condominium later on. Okay, but before that, we'll be bringing the participants to eat something delicious. Okay, at this restaurant called Lei Lao. Alright, so what are they famous for? They're famous for food from Hua Hin province, okay, using ingredients and seafood from that province.
Do you find the food, sir?
Very good.
Is the food delicious?
Delicious!
We just finished a very sumptuous lunch at Lei Lao. So we are now walking towards the first project, Noble around RE. It's a completed project. We're going to check out the physical units as well as the facilities. Earlier, this is the meetup point at RE BTS. We're now going to cross the road to the other side to get to the project Noble around RE.
So after our very filling lunch, we are now at Noble around RE, and this project is just less than 5 minutes walk away from BTS RE station. And this is a completed project with lots of locals staying here. Alright, so in the following clips, you will get to see what to experience living in this area and what kind of facilities there is in Noble around RE.
What makes RE a popular neighborhood in Bangkok?
RE is known for its hipster vibe with numerous cafes, and it's also a favorite among locals and expats because right here you can find lots of good restaurants that you won't even know.
Is RE family friendly?
Oh yes, RE is a very calm and quaint little neighborhood. You can find lots of schools and also family-friendly restaurants around. Okay, so you don't have to worry that, oh, this place is very messy. No, this place is in fact lived by many Thai locals in Bangkok itself.
What are the best cafes in RE?
So in my personal opinion, I like Nana Coffee Roasters. It's a beautiful cafe, very big, good coffee.
Okay, where are we right now?
We are right now in Union Mall, a very popular shopping mall in Lat Phrao district. Okay, so apart from Union Mall, there's also Central Plaza Lat Phrao, also very popular.
Where are we heading now?
We are now heading to a project called Matrice District Lat Phrao, which is a pet-friendly project located very near to Phao Nho Tin MRT station. We are now at the actual site of Matrice District Lat Phrao, which is just about 4 minutes walk away from Union Mall and also linked to MRT Phao Nho Tin. Okay, what's special about this project is this is a pet-friendly project which you don't really get a lot in Bangkok. Okay, so if you have pets and you want to live with them, then you might want to look out on this project.
So what kind of profile resident would like this area, Lat Phrao?
So in this area, you can see more of the Thai locals. Okay, around here you can see a lot of government officers, a lot of amenities around that the Thais just go to on a daily and weekly basis. Okay, so you can see a lot of local shops happening even right behind the back alley. So we are now at Rama Nai, also known as Praram Kao. Right, in this area, this is known as the new CBD of Bangkok. And right here you can see a lot of officers, even brands like Huawei, Unilever, their HQ are all here. And then you can see this is the G Tower. And then beside me is another very prominent building in Bangkok. This is the Fortune Tower. So if you have any lack of your IT products, you can basically get it here. Okay, and right now we are walking to the brand new project called New Epic Rama Nai.
So you mentioned there's a lot of projects that's going on around here. Would it be blocked by other high-rise buildings?
Very good question. So because this New Epic, also Rama Nai, right, is located in another part of Rama Nai, okay, in fact it's within the local community. So what you get right now, right, you get very good unobstructed views. Okay, as compared to the other projects around here, this one you really get a good clear view of the city, okay, within the local community.
And right now we have like 30 almost 30 just opening. Some 2 weeks are opening. I've been like a small one and one very good already. For now, for we only open for Tower A and Tower C.
So how do we get this project?
Oh, so you just have to take the MRT to Ramanai or Bangkok station, walk through the Fortune Town, and you will reach the new Epic Show flat in about 10 minutes.
What's so special about this new Epic project?
So this project is fresh from the oven, very fresh. Of course, when it's fresh, the prices are in fact the best. Because what we understand is as they slowly open up more units, okay, the prices are going to increase. So if you want a unit to get it fast. At this place is very, lots of activity ongoing. If you want to go for dinner, you can head out to, Central Ramanai. There's lots of food there.
Besides office building, what else is around here?
Oh, there's a very famous Jolt Fest night market. Okay, it's just behind Central Ramanai. Okay, it will be there till the end of the year. Okay, after that, that plot of land, which used to be the Super Tower, okay, will then be replaced by another shopping mall. And Jolt Fest Ramanai will be shifting over to Jolt Fest Ratchada.
Where are we today?
So we are currently at Prakanong. So this is a good place for those who want to still be on the BTS Sukhumvit line but don't want to pay the premium price of Sukhumvit. Okay, so in fact this is just after Ekamai station. Alright, so over here you will see a lot of local community and also the expats community, because what they want to do is to be away from Sukhumvit but still be accessible, on the Sukhumvit line.
So what can we expect to?
So we are going to visit a project called Ideal Sukhumvit Rama 4, okay, which is just behind where we are right now. We are currently at Summer Hill, which is like a small community mall just beside the BTS. So one thing good about this project is it's very near to the BTS station, but the actual project itself is not on the Sukhumvit road. That is why you get a lower pricing, as compared to those on the main road of Sukhumvit.
Wilbur, where are we right now?
So we are right now at Ideal Sukhumvit Rama 4. Okay, this building just sort of completed. Okay, and now they are actually doing handover of keys. Okay, it's my first time in the actual property itself. And actually, one look, right, you can see that many developers in Bangkok are now going green. Okay, they want to bring in more green, to the environment, to let you feel more healthy, good for your eyesight. And then there's even a colorful waterfall, man-made waterfall here.
What kind of amenities or entertainment can you find around here?
So for Prakanong, if you like to drink, you like to chill, right, there's a good place at W District, which is just next to the BTS station. You want to do a bit more, okay, you can go to Onlut, which is a very localized area. You can find a big Lotus hypermart. There's a movie theater there. There's a lot of street food and hidden bars around as well. So we are now walking towards our next destination, Scope from Sea. Okay, this is a project in the middle of the soil, which is just behind M Quartier. Okay, about 10 to 15 minutes walk. Okay, what's good about this project is it's very near all the local amenities which the locals actually frequent. Okay, but you might be thinking, it's quite a long walk in. How do you get in? Of course, apart from walking, okay, you can in fact take the mini tuk-tuk, which will lead you all the way to your condo if you purchase this condo here. Right, so not to worry about the transportation. Scope From Sea is a luxury low-rise project perfect for those seeking peace and privacy. It comes with designer furnitures, and living here is just experiencing life in style. So right now we are at Wisdom Craft Samyan, and this is a project that is very beautiful for their loft projects, duplex units, because their units are actually very spacious. So if you like something, dual level and you want space, you have to take a look at this. Plus, they also have a lot of research done. So what you see here, they actually offer a lot of warranty and also research done to ensure that you have a very good stay in the project itself. Our last project for this tour is at Shush Ratchathiri. This project is located right in the midst of two BTS stations, Ratchathiri and Payathai, linking you to the airport rail link which goes to Suvarnabhumi Airport. It is also near the shopping belt of Siam, and getting to Chatuchak or Chinatown is also very convenient because of the superb location. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next tour.